Hello friends and viewers, welcome back to my channel Golden Peacock Only, and today I'm here back with a very interesting chapter, sentences. So before that I want you all to do one thing for my channel and me, that is please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and don't miss videos like this one. So first, what is a sentence? A sentence is nothing but a group of words which makes a complete sense. And sentence can be divided into four types of sentence. What are they? They are assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamative sentence. So first, what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence tells us something and the sentence actually ends with a full stop. For example, you can tell my mom gave me a new book. So they are telling their mom gave you a new book. You will be like, you're telling your friends, my mom gave me a new book. So you are just telling that your mom gave a new book to you. So that means it is a assertive sentence. And assertive has another name called declarative. And these both have the same meaning what I told now. And yes. And imperative. It is a request or a command which can end in a full stop, question mark or also an exclamatory mark. So it can end in all this, but commonly for me it ends in a full stop only almost everything. So yes, example is read the book. They are commanding commanding that you should read the book right now. Your mom's like, read the book, then go play outside. But now, read the book, play inside. Okay? And you're like, why mom? Corona. It'll be like that. Your mom will be like that. Yes? And yes, I was saying that you should read a book. You should read a book right now. They're commanding that you should read the book right now. And yes, that is an imperative sentence. Could you please read the book right now? That is also imperative sentence. Read the book right now. Read the book now. So that is also imperative sentence. So it can be in question mark, exclamatory mark and full stop. But you should just see whether it's a command or a request to say whether it is an imperative sentence or some other sentence. Okay. Now, interrogative sentence. It asks information ends in a question mark. Begins word like what, why, where, that, what, like that. It ends like when, where, how, why, what, is, are, etc. Like more words also like that. And example, what. What I told you now, what. What is the name of your new book? Now you are a author. Okay, you have wrote a new book and you have kept and you have sold some of the books. You're like friend like, wow, you really made a new book. What's the name of your new book? You'll be like, oh, my name, let's keep Harry Potter. Yeah, my name is my new book name is Harry Potter. You'll say like that, no? But what is the question? Like what type of sentence they ask to you? They are getting some information from you that they need. Okay, so in this statement I am telling, they are asking for what is your name of your new book. So that is an interrogative sentence. So next, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means like just feelings, like that strong feelings, happiness, shock, surprise, like that. We will use this exclamatory mark. So yes. How beautiful the rainbow looks. Like if you're seeing the first time, I have not seen the rainbow yet. But if you're seeing the first time, you'll be like, oh my goodness, I am seeing the rainbow. And here, how beautiful the rainbow is, we are telling. And that we are telling it in a surprise. We are telling it in a shock. It came near us. Like we are seeing the rainbow, you are shocked, surprised, happy that you are seeing the rainbow, right? And that means how beautiful the rainbow looks. Have all this. Can also be one also. It's okay. It has all of this and that means it's an exclamatory mark also. So yes, it is exclamatory. But not only exclamatory mark, it can like without exclamatory mark also it can come. Like just without any symbol they'll put, and you should put a symbol like that. Also some questions will be there. But now let's see our examples which we made. Now examples you should tell whether it is assertive or declarative. We take assertive, imperative, interrogative or exclamative. We should tell all. We have 7 totally. And yes, close the door behind you. Your mom is telling close the door behind you so the mosquitoes won't let in. After like 6 o'clock they will tell you, right? So yes, that means imperative. Is this right? Imperative? Yes, they're commanding. Next, what a surprise. I also told you that not only the exclamatory mark will come in exclamatory, that's kind of sentence. So what a surprise. They are telling that already they are surprised. So that means also exclamatory only. Next, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. So this can be like, oh, it's imperative. You will be saying, oh, it's imperative. But no, the imperative means they're like commanding, not telling. Telling means it's just assertive or declarative. Tell us something, I don't know. Tell us something. So yes, that means this is assertive or declarative. And do you like chocolate? They're asking, they want information that you like the chocolate or not. Now, if your birthday is coming like next tomorrow, they have not even made. They have made some gifts, but they want to know, do you like chocolate or like greens, like that they want to know. Yes, then they're asking, do you like chocolate? But this is a question. Don't need to ask the question because everyone likes chocolate. Adults, children, everyone eats chocolate just like you. And yes, that means do you like chocolate means it is an interrogative. But I wanted to tell you one thing. You never see that symbols they have given. It can also be a printing mistake. So you should never see the symbol, but you should see the sentence. Whether it is a request or command, it's telling something or asking like information from you, or it is saying how with surprise, shock or happiness it's telling. You should see all this to find what kind of sentence it is. So yes, do you like chocolate means it is interrogative. Now we have 3 more examples left. Now a little more faster. Clean your room. They are telling that you should clean your room. That means it is imperative, commanding. Short form we can tell commanding. And kindly eat the fruits. They are telling you to eat the fruits. That's only one extra word, kindly. They are telling you to eat the fruits now. Apple. They are telling you to eat the apple. And that means they are commanding, so imperative. I can see the earth when you are in the, like what to say, that solar system. Outer of the India, that thing. Planet, you can see earth, right? And that means like you're surprised, you're like seeing, you're so happy that you're seeing the earth for the first time outside. So that means it is exclamatory, right? Exclamatory, right? So yes, last but not least, we have finished examples. What are the type of sentences we have finished? And yes, that's one more thing I want to tell you. Positive and negative kind of these types of sentences, positive and negative also come. So here, how beautiful is the rainbow looks. And this itself, this is a positive. And this is actually a positive sentence. But if you're changing this into a negative, how dirty the rainbow looks you can tell. But it actually, in real life it's beautiful, even in the pictures it's beautiful. But I'm just telling for the example, how like ugly, dirty the rainbow looks, like that. Some people will like, not anyone will tell, but like if you're changing this into a negative sentence, it's like how dirty or how ugly the rainbow looks, like that. And yes, positive means we are telling something good about it, and negative means telling something opposite to just like something bad, like that. Yes, like that. Positive, negative is nothing but seeing whether they are telling about that particular sentence in a good way or in a bad way. You should think. In a good way means it's positive, in a bad way, like I told example now, that means it is negative. And yes, we have finished the whole sentences chapter. So very easy, just need to remember how, like you should just identify all those things, like how we should know, you should know how that we get all these sentences. And that's all. See you all in the next video. Bye. Please put a like and subscribe also. Bye.